a man who says comes from Agago district on the 27th of October took to tax center in Gulu City near Acholi to represent the Agago district people. The man claims that the Agago district people are very comfortable with staying with the Balaalo. He read the names and all the list of the Balaalo and where they are staying. According to this man, he is representing the entire people of Agago district's view, where he said for them they are very comfortable and they want Balaalo to continue staying. He clearly mentioned the name of the Chief Justice Alphonse Windolo and also his brother Ujok Leonard as one of the most common harbors of the Balaalo people who are harboring it comfortably. Now, we don't know whether this view truly represents the entire view of the people of Agago district, pending a lot of social media reactions from many people. And the latest one just came in from one of the councillor, one of the great councillor, commonly known as Stanley the Great. Honorable Stanley took to WhatsApp to express his demise of surprise and anger towards this man who he says has falsified their decision as a district or as leaders on the stance of Balaalo in Agago district.
Clarification on the social media trending video of Chair LC2 Mora Parish will be Agago. As people of Wool Sub-County and its leadership in Agago District local government, we are very disappointed with the manner of betrayal, misrepresentation of views in regards to eviction of Balaalo and condemnation of their pastoral activities. My Chair LC2 Mora Parish Mr. Omoya disappeared last week to unknown location without awareness of the local authority, and we were searching for his location for decades. Surprisingly, we show him communicating before security operatives. Disclaimer: take the video as fertile lie and contrary to view of people of Wool Sub-County Agago. Hon Stanley Odong Richard, LCV Councillor, Wool Sub-County.
Stanley the Great has not shown any sign of happiness towards this man and has proven he has rejected. Now Stanley has been a vocal person, good leader, representing these people of Wool Sub-County, where also this man comes from, and he has also been an environmental activist during a time when charcoal burning was like a wildfire in the district.
John Mate Agago, Omoya Justine, one comedy of Memora Parish, Wool Sub-County Agago district. John Agago Kusha, Pity look more conge, John Geology, you may bear, Ning Johnny, Del Kimati Tung Pinkan, Ning Johnny Tung Markun Ling. Don't take a quack. Maroma Kula Beach, but local Pere. So, Rugin Mate, way forward the white Kula Beach, Gangagi, both one cover beach may Agago district.
Saleo,
get your back, can you be Angan Tarian
Genomina?
Dolo.
Okay.
Dolo man.
Wayne,
Wayne Dolo.
But you are
sub-county man.
Deal. New Chap County, Patan Kuni, Dwong,
dear Cormo, Locale, Baton, Dormet.
Get your dormit. And good young quitty will guarantee or Chap County. You know,
okay.
Look what young Yangagi.
Pangeba.
Ero dear Banyankole.
Dear my guinea pound, Pame Quataye, dear Ancolico. Dear Pawa Acholi. Pound, didn't you look?
And young colony.
So, you're team of bear, local bear. So, I'm a kitty, way forward a mere good team. And then Lodama Malma to a go quick again, not kind. Lodama Pegan at town won't come. Miracle for Bore, to bot like Twitch, Mummy or Mikon Acholi. So, don't give me 2 miles could get away local bear. And then the deep Maloyo Bankole, Bulaluni. Gen ku chen maro kunu ku chonyin jomate kuno wen chalu kita wan kanyo ye la dit yoti enini ke ye wi la dit ban ko le mer ko betie manu leading John wen we ke nge Working a Balaalo ka kwere. Tien ki joma Agago no beru pat. Mala dir wi me kunuti pare. We ko ti ki kan beru tek. Tien wan do chung pi Acholi.
If you have disintegrated the leadership, you need this leadership and not what. It will also be difficult now for you to control the one of the 27.
Wan do chung pi Acholi la dit bi Ankole mo mer ke ye ma chung dong pi Acholi bere. Ma lo Ankole weng ma genti kwere. Itung ma lo kai kira waru chung kwere ni. Mo ne ko tama aga wa chu enu. We ke wor ka chien. So gina mer wa chu boru won kom my lord chi chone ni ene yini lok won kom a beach mi Agago district la ko rel wangi matika pie ka ene ni ne ke riam bang ko ni anen kon chiro pie Agago kunu ke gero winyu lokki janen ni nyeru kuy ma tek won kom a beach we won kom a beach o connecting LCC re o weng we kila ko ra dwala ni tika donyo kunu mi rubu we Acholi ke bang ko ni no yinde wa chu eno ngeo so bingo president kit matieni and then before being the president, near Ketaking won come being Agago district, where Kid Malok would pay Borani, who pay King Age, who Quang Quan and go Quang Yu to tell that Dwala don't know the Donyam Bush, Mono Itualo, hearing no my children take a time on that.
Boy.
Man, give me chicken and a poem attack.
Yes, no, it was just they talked about someone called Muhozi.
Mozi down there.
We need to.
Thank you very much for watching this update. See you in the next one if you stay subscribed. Bye bye.